What is going on, good people? This is Cam with Elevated Lawnscapes, and we are back at it again. So this is going to be the first garden video for me, 2021. We are gardening. So if you haven't, go check out the video that my bro Turf did over there on his channel. I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to the channel. I have now crossed 1,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to everyone for watching. If you've liked, if you've subscribed, if you commented, thumbs up or thumbs down. I just appreciate it. I never thought that I would get here to have 1,000 subscribers, but I appreciate it. Y'all keep watching. I'm enjoying this. That's why I'm going on this garden journey, because it's something new, something different, and it's going to be something fun. In this video, I've got a couple of things that I'm working on in the garden. So I've got some tomatoes. You know, we all got to start as a beginner gardener with some tomatoes. So I got some tomatoes that are coming up. I actually have too many of them in the same cup, so I need to up pot them and mainly separate them and get them in their own cups, and to make sure that they continue to grow and thrive. And I mean, them things have came up and they jumping. So I'm gonna go ahead here, show y'all what we got going on, walk you through that. Everything's looking pretty good, and then I'll give you a look at everything that I've got already started and how they're going. All right, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so you can see we got the tomatoes right here. Got some early girls and some Romas. They're actually doing pretty good, They're dry. So as you can see, I've kind of neglected them past 2 days. So we're gonna up pot them, and got a little trick. Shout out to Beauty in the Garden. She told me about when she, in one of her videos, when she does her up potting, put a little bone meal in there. Hey, I'm gonna take them tips. All right, so let's go ahead and get these separated, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these in their individual cups. As you can see here, yeah, there's too many in a cup. So, hey, we're gonna go ahead and take care of that. And I'm gonna drill some holes in the bottom of them so I can start my watering from the bottom. Now that they've gotten a little size up on them, I'm gonna put some holes in the bottom and make sure that we get that good deep water in there. All right, let's get to it. This is a potting soil or a seed starting soil that I got from Lowe's. I am not a fan of it. Definitely doesn't hold water, and it just dries out so fast. So that's another reason why I'm changing these out, so I can at least get some good soil in there. As you can see, this is the stuff that I'm gonna be going with. Much better. I like it. Holds moisture, so we'll be good. All right, so we got it separated. We got 4 different plants here. I'm gonna grab some of this good old blood meal. Got this little cap that I fashioned from something. I don't know what it was, but it's right about a half a tablespoon, whatever the amount was that Beauty in the Garden said use. I measured it out and it came out almost exact. So boom, we're good. Got our plants. Look at that root. Gonna go ahead and drop them in there. Work him in. Boom. One down. The rest of these to go. All right, summertime lap, y'all, and then just go ahead and let you see how this is going. I definitely like this soil better than the previous soil that I was in. All right, let's go. So here goes the final product. We're good to go. Got them in some better soil. And they're getting some moisture. So pretty sure it'll take them a day or two for them to adjust. But I'm almost positive that they'll be much happier in this soil and I'll be able to keep them moist. And so you say, what else you got going, Cam? We got some good hot peppers in there. I think we got one that's came up. Yeah, one. I think there's another one. So we got some hot peppers there. Wifey's got some good flowers and stuff going. I think there's marigolds, some knockoffs, something else. She got a couple of things going in there. So this is her little gig. I'm letting her run the flowers. We're gonna jump over here. We got some charcoal purple tomatoes, which is what we got going right there. It was actually in the seed store. I was getting some lawn care fertilizer up in PA, and one of the guys that was in there was like, hey, you've got to get these charcoal purple tomatoes. You're a beginner gardener, gotta have them. So we got some of those going. I think they just came up a couple, maybe 3 or 4 days ago. So they're in there, getting them going. And wifey's got some more plants and stuff going, indoor plant life. Got some homies over here chilling. Peppers, they actually need to go outside. I didn't take these outside this morning. This was the first round of seed starts. Once again, y'all see them nemesis onions. I planted 3 full rows of onions to get maybe 1 or 2. But we're doing a little bit better there with the scallions. So those are doing all right. Peppers stunting as usual. Now let's go outside to the real homies. As they out here chilling, everybody good. This is the second tray of starts. Got some carrots in there, some spinach, lettuce, some more greens, got some squash right there. And yeah, we good. Got them greens going, they straight. Everybody good. All right, so that is going to wrap up this video. We got those tomatoes taken care of. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna get over here and I'm gonna water everything. Like I said, I was busy this weekend. They've been a little neglected. They're a little dry. So I'm gonna make sure that I get them some water and get them back up and thriving. Thank you to the garden community for welcoming me in. You guys have been positive, like, Cam, you got it, you can do this. Just appreciate it. And to my lawn care cats, hey man, make sure y'all get out there and grow some of your own groceries. If it's only 1 or 2 plants, hey, just find some place for it. get some on some of your own groceries going along with that immaculate lawn. All right, Broke Farmer 76. You said you needed a video, you needed some info for me to check in. Now you see how I'm growing, bruh. Grow your own groceries. So, as I always say, if you're striving to have that immaculate lawn or garden, just know we working.